Hello there, welcome back. Today we're going to insert a Heli coil and repair strip threads on the head for the valve cover on a Honda Rebel motorcycle. It's a straightforward procedure. If you've done this before, you're familiar with what to do. So what we're having here, you can see, as I keep trying to tighten this screw on the valve cover, that the threads are damaged and it's not biting onto anything, which causes an oil leak. Okay, so we're going to back this out. You can see that's loose in there, it's not really biting onto anything. So the first step in what we're doing, we have to drill out the old threads. I'm going to show you the tools that we'll be using. Right here, the thread locker. This is the tool, the duck punch to break the Heli coil tab. This is the Heli coil here. This is the tool for a Heli coil, and this is the tap to create the new threads. On this drill, we're going to use this drill bit and drill it out. I'll leave all the information in the description. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. You want to take your drill bit, line that up, and make sure it's as straight as possible as you can. And then start slowly. I have a hard time getting at the bite. Okay, try something else. Trying an attachment, but I think I'm going to try to get that as straight as possible. Okay, so those threads came out pretty easily. Okay. I'm not sure how well you can see in there, but you can see all the threads are drilled out. Okay, now we're going to tap and put new threads in. One good rule of thumb is to spray some WD-40 or cutting oil as you're turning that. Helps with the cut a little bit. Again, I want to try to keep it as straight as possible. Just going to turn. The head is made out of aluminum, so it's a fairly easy metal. But again, just want to take your time. Back up about a quarter, continue turning. Back up a quarter. The WD-40 definitely helps with the lubrication. Okay. Good. Now we're just going to back it out. Might be tough to see, but kind of look down, you can see the new threads. So now we're going to insert our Heli coil. The way this is going to work, you're going to take your Heli coil here and your tool, that indentation there, just going to slide that in, and you'll see that little tab is going to go right in the center. And then you're going to slowly twist that into the valve, but before you do that, I'm just going to put a drop of thread locker on the Heli coil. You don't need a lot, just a little, because you want that to fuse in the new threads that you just tapped. Okay. Then you're going to insert it. And just slowly turn. And you want that just below the opening, the top here. No choice. Okay, that's in there. You can see it's in there. I get to grab a hammer. We're going to break off that tab. And put the screw in and we'll check it out. So this punch is what we're going to use to break off that center tab. So we're just going to put that in there, and then just going to tap it. There you go. That went all the way down, so we know it's broken. And now we're going to test the screw with the bolt. Here's our bolt. I know the threads on the bolts are good because they're brand new from Honda. That's working. Look how tight that is. Perfect. And that will bite once that valve cover is on top. This is the clearance that is needed. That would be nice and tight. So this was a success. This is the valve cover. So the bolt's going to go through here, like that. And you can see these are the threads that are going to go down. So once you get on there and torque it, that should be for a tight seal. And don't forget to put your gasket. Gasket's going to have to go up in there. And that's going to seal. Here's the mating surface. Right here's the mating surface for the gasket. Okay, that about covers it. Thank you for watching. As always, make sure you like the video and subscribe. Okay. See you next time.